Namaste. Welcome to namastehindi.com. So, dear learners, up till now, we have learned our first 10 Hindi consonants. And in this video, we are going to learn next 5 Hindi consonants. But before moving further to something new, let's revise what we have learned till now. So, the 10 Hindi consonants we learned till now are K, Kh, G, Kh, La, Ch, Ch, J, Jh, Ya. Very good. So let's begin our journey of learning next 5 Hindi consonants. Let's get started. The consonants in this word is called word consonants, and these are retroflex sounds because in producing the sounds of this word consonants, we have to curl our tongue back, touch it to hard palate, and then roll it out. All 5 letters in this consonant series share a common trait. The tongue curls back and touches the hard palate and making them retroflex consonants. This is the key feature that differs Hindi from English. So let's get started with the 5 consonants. The first one is ta. Ta. Can you feel my tongue? Can you feel my tongue that is curling and then moving out? Ta, ta, ta. The next is tha. Tha. The third consonant that we are going to learn today is da. Da. The fourth one is dha. Dha. And the fifth one is la. La. Let's begin with our first consonant of this series is ta. And the sound of ta is ta as in truck. Ta as in truck. And the word starting from ta is tomato. Tomato in English is called tomato. Tomato in Hindi is tomato. More words from ta are topi, that is cap, and tehni, that is branch. The branch of the tree is called tehni in Hindi. So let's revise once again. Repeat with me. Tomato, topi, and tehni. Very good. Next Hindi consonant was tha. Tha. As I told you, after ta comes tha. So when we add a strong air or a h sound in our previous consonant ta, it becomes tha. And the word starting from tha is thanda. Thanda, that is called cold. Thanda is called cold. And more words from tha are thick. Correct. Correct in Hindi is called thick. And stamp in Hindi is called thappa. Thappa. So let's revise. The 3 words starting from tha are thanda, that is cold, thi, that is correct, and thappa, that is stamp in English. Very good, learners. So the third consonant that we are going to learn today is the. The as in dog. The as in dog. And the word starting from the is dakia. Dakia, as you can see here, the postman in Hindi is called dakia. The next words are from the are the, danda, and the, dabba. The danda in English is called stick, and the dabba in English is called box. Oh, now comment me, how many of you have ever got beaten by a danda from your parents in your childhood? Because we Indians are very habitual of getting this danda treatment. So let's revise the 3 words that we learned from the. The first one is the dakia, that is postman. The second is the danda, that is stick. And the third one is the dabba, that is box in English. The fourth consonant that we are going to learn today is dha. When we add a strong breathe or a h sound to our previous consonant the, it becomes dha. So the plus strong air becomes dha. And the word starting from dha is dhakkan. The lid of the jar is called dhakkan in Hindi. More words from dha are, the first one is dher, that is the pile or heap of anything. And the second is dholak, that is Indian drum. Like we have drum in Western countries, we have Indian drum that is called dholak, and we use it in our marriages and birthdays and celebrations to play. So let's revise the three words that we learned from dha. The first one is dha, dhakkan. Oh, I just got that dhakkan is here. Dha, dhakkan, and dha, dher, and dha, dholak. Then next, the last vowel, the last consonant of this series, the Tawak series is ra. Ra. When you add the nasal sound in ra, ka, kha, ga, gha, ra. When you add a nasal sound in ra, it becomes ra. Ra. Can you feel that nasal sound and the retroflex ra? Ra. Ra. So this is the last consonant of today's video. However, no word starts from la, but it is used to make some words. So let's look at it. Some words that are made with the help of this consonant la are bar, bar. That is O and arrow. Arrow in Hindi is called bar. The next is charan. The foot. Foot in Hindi is called charan. 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 So, dear learners, let's revise all the five consonants. The first one is ta, tha, da, dha, and ra. So, in the next video, this was all for today. In the next video, we will learn next five consonants, next amazing five consonants. So, don't forget to subscribe and share the video.